Looking for refreshing and healthy food options for this summer? Yearning for meals that not only satiate your hunger but also keep you hydrated and nourished? Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. Summer, the season of sunshine and warmth, also brings with it a need to stay hydrated and nourished. Today, we're going to explore some fabulous yet simple recipes that are the perfect blend of taste, nutrition, and summer freshness. First on our list is a classic, the cucumber and tomato salad. Crisp, refreshing cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and a hint of fresh mint combine to make this salad a summer favorite. Begin by chopping your cucumbers and tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Throw in some fresh mint leaves and toss everything together. Top it off with a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. And voila! Your summer salad is ready to be devoured. Next, we have the all-time favorite, watermelon and feta cheese skewers. This recipe is as simple as it sounds. Cube your watermelon and feta cheese. Then skewer them alternatively on a stick, and you have a delightful, hydrating snack ready in no time. The sweetness of the watermelon perfectly complements the tangy feta cheese, making it a hit at any summer get-together. Moving on to a thirst quencher, we present the lemon and ginger iced tea. Start by boiling water and adding tea bags to it. Once it's steeped, add in honey, lemon juice, and grated ginger. Let it cool and then refrigerate. Serve this chilled, revitalizing drink with a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint, and it's sure to keep you refreshed all day. And finally, we have the mango and avocado salsa. This recipe is a summer twist on the traditional salsa. Dice mangoes and avocados and mix them with chopped onions, jalapenos, and cilantro. Drizzle some lime juice and sprinkle a pinch of salt, and your salsa is ready. Pair it with whole grain tortilla chips, or use it as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. So to summarize, today we've shared 4 easy, refreshing, and healthy recipes perfect for the summer season. We started with the cucumber and tomato salad, moved on to watermelon and feta cheese skewers, refreshed ourselves with lemon and ginger iced tea, and ended with a burst of flavors with the mango and avocado salsa. Remember, the key to enjoying summer is to keep yourself hydrated and nourished. And what better way to do that than with these delicious and healthy recipes? So go ahead, try these recipes and make your summer meals not just about satisfying hunger, but also about enjoying the season's bounty in the healthiest way possible. Enjoy your summer, enjoy your meals.